Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you Stable Diffusion Keep Face Change Background. It's so easy because you can just see this option inside the Stable Diffusion. All you have to do is just simply type some prompt and then kindly go to extras. And then under extras, you will see here other options. But if you see below, we can see here remove background. You just have to tap that option here. Now, once you tap that, you will see options. Okay, so what you want to do here, if you want to change or if you're using an image of a human, so you have to choose Usenet, human seg, or if you're focusing on the face. But you can just simply play around here. Of course, it depends on the image here that you use. If you want to change, you can just go back to this area and then type whatever you want. Let's just say you are not focusing on a face, like it's not a dog, it's not a human. We're talking about like a house, and we want to remove the background of the house. Let's just say a house in the forest. Tap generate, and then you will see an example. For example, this one here, and then all you have to do is to tap remove the background if you see the remove background on your stable diffusion, and then change the options under remove background. And then after that, tap generate and you will see the result here. So that's it. The remove background is just inside stable diffusion under extras. So if you have found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and see you in our next tutorials.